Guys, so grabe, tingbalik na ng mga tourist.
Hindi ka na tagatakwan.
Hello guys, punta kami sa aming lunch for sa aming mga katrabaho at friends. So, look, easy-easy lang tayo basta may driver tayo. No? Bawal ang stress. So, sobrang traffic pa naman ngayon. So, yun, kainan na kami mamaya. Let's go. So na guys, nandito naman ako sa bahay ng kaibigan ko. Gala-gala na naman tayo. So I have a pretty co-workmate her. Hello kayo sa vlog ko mga Inday. Hello Filipinas.
Pinay, Aussie.
Hello!
Mabuhay!
We're in Opal Girls! Here in
And we're having lunch. There's another pretty ladies here. Please say hello, ladies and gentlemen. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Please don't forget to subscribe.
Our channel. So this is our food today, guys. Sarap. So fried rice. You name it, like spring rolls. Pancit. Daming food. There's lots of food. So let's gonna eat. So dessert time tayo. So meron tayong pavlova. Okay, and leche plan.
Ang sabi na niya, Pablo daw.
Pavlova.
Pablo, din. Ako sabi pa niya kanina, Pablo.
There's an evidence. And there's a banana muffin. Present. I bake it. So let's go. Eat. What are we waiting for? So kain na tayo. Come on.
Kasi wala pang kita kasi nawala yung lipstick. Mag-retouch pa. Kailangan yan kasi yan.
So after eating guys, we need to wash the dishes. Kasi hindi kami nagbabayad, so kailangan mahugas ang pinggan. Where's the pinggan? No more na! Oh, so it's finished. So it's a magic.
The old lady finished.
Oh, Jackie! Anong ginagawa mo? Yes, ready.
It's alright. We wipe it later.
Yum, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to us because it's Labor Day and we're
Yes,
workers.
yep. It's a public holiday.
For us.
That's the beautiful playful day here. So, yan. Next. So I'm going home now, guys, after salon. So it has too much fun today. So thank you very much, beautiful girls, to Leia and Hubby Ryan, Jackie, Cherry, and Marilyn, Lori, and Hubby. Thank you very much. So we are now so grabbing traffic, guys. Bumper to bumper. Why so traffic? Because it's finished now.
No, because it's public holiday.
Because of the public holiday.
And the roadway.
And the road works so bad. We're here in town.
Everybody left Sydney.
Yeah.
COVID. They wanted to get away for a time.
Because of the terrorists. Oh my god. merging line. So look at the traffic. It's very bad. It's like Manila, Nabab, or Cebu City. That's the Navy there, helicopter. This road is going to Wollongong. Oh my god. So traffic. This is the Shellhaven River. Where? Where's the boat?